Hello, everybody. Jen from Scrapping Under the Influence. So, I have something new in my shop. This is the Market Stand Paint Kit. So, this is going to be a subscription. You'll get different interchangeable parts every month. The initial kit ships with the market stand and the sandwich board and your first month of decorations for this. When it comes to you, it will be unpainted, unassembled. So these are the pieces for the little sandwich board. These are the pieces for the little stand itself. I have a video on how to assemble this and how I painted mine. And I will be doing a paint video every month for the little interchangeable pieces. They will be themed every month. So the first month with the first shipment is, of course, a Halloween one, and it is Hocus Pocus. Whoops. So we've got all of these little pieces and parts. And I don't have a spare set of these cut to show you. However, they do come unpainted, unassembled. It took me maybe an hour to go through and paint and assemble all of these little pieces. So not super overwhelming. So you've got the little sandwich board, and there's a little sign that will change out for this every month. And then for the market stand itself, you'll have your top sign. There will be a banner of some kind, a little decorative piece for down here, and then a little tray that sits on the top. And I will be doing, like I said, a paint video for these every month. I've got, of course, my October one painted, and let me go ahead and show you November's because it's so cute. The December one I haven't painted yet, but I am just dying to get that one painted. I ran out of time yesterday. So for November, we've got a little tray of pumpkins. We've got our little sign here that is hay rides, corn mazes, and pumpkins. These are all attaching with magnets. You can also use Velcro. I do not include the magnets or Velcro or whatever because I'm leaving that up to you guys. In order to keep this at a price point that was reasonable, I couldn't include the magnets. So that is why you're not going to see those in there. But again, you can use Velcro, you can use magnets, whatever you have on hand. And this is going to be your November pieces. So for November, you won't get another market stand. You will get the kit to make these elements here. Okay. So you'll get the elements here. Like I said, unpainted, unassembled. You will go through and paint those yourself. Whatever colors you choose, I will give you the paint colors I'm using in the paint video. And then let me show you the December one. So the December is fresh cut trees. So this is our little sign that goes across the top. And you'll see anywhere I've got a piece that needs to go on top, like so, you have score lines on here to help line it up. So like for your little fresh cut trees, I've got all of those have a score line where your letters, once you paint them or once you attach them, are going to go to make it easier. So we've got fresh cut trees. We've got our little banner here. This one for the little front piece has a cute little truck with a tree in the back. The piece for the, what you want to call it, the little tray has, that one goes on here. This one, I'm not sure. Okay, so there's cut your own for the little sandwich board sign, and there's a little wreath that goes on that one. We've got a hot chocolate here. We've got another little tree that's going to go on there and a tree there. And then this bow, I'm not sure where it goes, if it goes on the banner. And then, of course, all your little letters and pieces and parts and like the little holly berries that are gonna go on there. But this is what it's gonna come to you like, and then you will, of course, um, assemble it yourself. So like this for the cut your own, like there's, you know, the letters for one of your words for that. On the top there, I believe, I actually don't know. I don't have my stuff out where I can see for sure what goes where. I believe this little tree goes up here, and then I think there's some little holly berries that go over on this side. So they are not difficult to do by any means. It's super easy. They're really fun. They don't take long to assemble. So so yeah, so like there's the C for cut. With the scoring on here, it doesn't make it really easy to know what parts go where. And of course, there will be pictures on the website of these completed, ready to go, for you to reference as well as the video. So I'm going to drop the link below to sign up for this. Signups do close on Sunday, September 29th. These will be going out on Monday for sure. Subsequent months, they'll go out the 25th of the month. And you will be charged on, I believe it's the 18th, I want to say. No, 20th. I don't know. I'm going to have to look at my setup. But it'll be a couple of days before it ships that the charge will go through. There is an initial 3-month commitment, so you will for sure get the market stand October, November, and December. After that point, if you would like to cancel, you can. The cost of the market stand is built in and kind of spread out across all of the months. I have 12 months worth of kits, and then I've got some other little interchangeable pieces that will be offered a little later on separately that will not be part of the subscription, but they're just some other options that you have if you wanted to switch it out for something a little bit different. January, I know, is snowballs. February is a kissing booth. March is, I believe, flower market. April is an Easter one, like like egg hunt, I think. May, or is May the flower market? Yes, May is the flower market. March is Mardi Gras. That's what it was. June is going to be a fishing tackle. July is fireworks. August is, I believe, a lemonade stand. And September will be, I don't remember if it's the chicken with the eggs or if it was something else. I'm not sure. It'll all be listed on the website in the link. So that is what I have to share with you today. And as always, thank you for watching, and I hope you guys like this, and I hope you guys subscribe. Thanks.